if you have suddenly a lot of mucus, will you be able to breathe?
Never.
But Anilom Vilom you should do.
Yes.
But can you do it during the sinus? No. So you have to prepare your body.
correct.
We said earlier, you will prepare your body how a soldier or an athlete prepares. That when you are clean and clear is when you're practicing alternate nostril breathing. Right?
Absolutely.
Another one actually I was thinking is this in the middle of your ears. So take your hands and really pull out. Pull. Release. Again, pull. I'll tell you what it. All the passages which are moving from here all the way for your sinus all starts to get pulled through here. You start to clean and clear blockages. So the middle ear, pull outward. Are you feeling the heat?
Yeah.
Are you feeling the relaxation?
Yes.
Are you feeling calmer here?
Yes, it is.
Why? So one, the ear, the vagus nerve, which is your nerve which runs through, it's like a web
Okay.
through your upper body,
Okay.
right? And it takes over all the organs, it runs through the organs. And it goes through your ear, from your brain into your neck. So right now the vagus nerve makes you calm. It takes your body into rest and digest. So when you're doing this, you are actually calming your whole nervous system because you're activating the vagus nerve. Otherwise, we are always in survival mode.
Right.
We are always either flight, or we are freezing,
Right.
right? But you need to move into calm through any situation. So this is doing that. You can feel it going through your forehead. You can actually feel that.
I felt that, yes.
Right, so that's what I'm saying, that if you learn one trick, work that trick every day for 5 minutes.
Right.
So if it's ear pulling, and ear pulling is like here, up, do up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Pull, release, and then pull down, 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 down. I'm wearing earrings but without earrings. And down. It's so good.
Yeah.
Like all my eyes are feeling the release. So this is what it is, to learn the practices before a problem happens, because when the problem happens it becomes too late. You have to work on it before. If suddenly in your office everyone's fighting or whatever, how will you do it? React or respond? It won't happen there if you haven't prepared earlier, if you haven't prepared your body, you know. And body is the gateway to your brain. It's your gateway to your mind. It tells you how to fix yourself.